Hello, and welcome to the Unlock English podcast. I'm Amma, and I'm so glad you're here today.
And I'm Alex. Today, we have a very exciting episode. We're going to learn 100 essential English phrases that you can use every day.
Yes, these are phrases native speakers use at home, at work, when shopping, traveling, or just chatting with friends.
If you want to sound natural and confident in English, these phrases are perfect for you.
Don't worry, we'll go slowly, explain the meaning of each phrase, and give you short examples so you can remember them easily.
Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and maybe repeat after us. Let's start with our first section, greetings and small talk.
Every conversation begins with a greeting. How you greet someone sets the tone.
Of course, everyone knows hello and hi, but there are many natural ways to greet people.
For example, hey there, casual and friendly. Or more formal greetings like good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
And here's a common casual greeting. How's it going? It's another way of asking, how are you?
You can answer with all good, pretty well, thanks, or not bad at all.
Let's try a short dialogue.
Hey, Alex, how's it going?
Pretty good. Just finished my morning tea. And you?
Same here, just getting ready for our lesson.
Perfect. Another casual greeting you'll hear is, what's up? You can respond with, not much, or just relaxing.
And when meeting someone for the first time, say, nice to meet you. And if you've met before, nice to see you again.
For small talk, ask, how's your day going? Did you have a good weekend? Or, what have you been up to?
Keep it short, light, and positive. That's all small talk needs.
Now let's look at phrases you can use in your daily routine at home.
Starting from the morning, you might say, I just woke up. I need a cup of coffee. Or, I'm getting ready for work.
I say that every morning. And if you're in a hurry, I'm running late. Hurry up, let's go. Or, don't forget your keys.
Later in the day, you could say, I'm back home. I'm so tired. Or, let's order something to eat.
Or when it's bedtime. I'm going to bed early tonight. Time for a quick shower.
Quick tip. Try saying these phrases aloud during your own routine. It helps you practice without extra effort.
Example.
Good morning, Alex. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up watching a series.
Same here. Just getting ready for our lesson.
Perfect. Now let's move to school and work phrases, useful for meetings, projects, or online classes.
Simple phrases like, I have a meeting this morning, or can you help me with this? Or I'm working on a project.
You may hear, let's take a break. Or, can you send me the file? Or, let's review this together.
Short dialogue example. Are you ready for the meeting?
Almost. I just need to finish this report.
No problem. Let's start in 5 minutes.
Perfect. And here's a teamwork phrase. Let's work together on this. Friendly and professional.
Time for one of my favorites, shopping and eating out phrases.
At a store, how much is this? Or, can I try it on? Or, I'm just looking. Thanks.
At checkout, I'll take this one. Can I pay by card? Or, could I get a receipt, please?
Eating out, can I see the menu, please? Or, I'd like a coffee. Or, could I get the bill, please? Or, can I get this to go?
Example.
Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Sure. What would you like to order?
I'll have a cappuccino and a croissant, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Could I get it to go?
Sure, that'll be $5. Now, travel phrases. Very useful at airports, buses, or taxis.
Examples: what time does the flight leave? Where is the boarding gate? Can I see your passport, please?
On buses or taxis, does this bus go to the city centre? Could you drop me off here, please? Or, how much is a ticket to downtown?
If you're lost, excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Simple and polite.
Quick example.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the airport?
Yes, you need to get off at the last stop.
Thank you so much.
6. Social and friendly phrases.
Now let's focus on social and friendly phrases.
Great for meeting friends or making small talk. How have you been? It's been a while. What are you up to?
And when you hear good news, that's awesome. I'm so happy for you. Good for you.
Take care. See you soon. Let's talk later.
Example.
Do you want to grab lunch tomorrow?
Sure, that sounds great. What time?
1 works. See you then.
7. Politeness and fluency tips.
Politeness is key in English. Words like please, thank you, excuse me, and I'm sorry make a big difference.
Example. Instead of give me the salt, say, could you pass me the salt, please? Much softer.
When someone helps you, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Or, that's very kind of you.
Common mistakes. Using very formal phrases like, how do you do? With friends, just say, how's it going?
Another tip, mix your phrases. Instead of repeating, thank you very much, try, thanks a lot, or I really appreciate it.
Practice tips. Say phrases out loud during your daily routine. Shadow native speakers. Write short sentences in a journal.
Remember, fluency comes from daily practice, not perfection. Celebrate small steps.
That's right. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and you'll sound natural and confident in no time.
Thank you for joining us today on Unlock English Podcast.
Don't forget to follow, share, and practice these phrases. See you next time.